Oral DNA is a way to quantify what bacteria are in a particular individual's mouth that it's leading to their periodontal disease. You know, we've known for years that bacteria causes gum disease. Well, now with oral DNA testing, the patient comes in, we have them rinse and then spit out in this receptacle. We send it off for analysis, and then they tell us, and there's a printout, it's really neat, and it'll show of the very harmful bacteria, the moderately harmful, and the less harmful, which have gone over this certain plateau for you. And then the printout also has, okay, if you've got this one, then you need to do this. And then you have that one, you do this. And then it's just a protocol that we take. For the first time, we have better science to help us fight the bacteria that lead to gum and bone disease.